Hello everyone and welcome back to PostNetwork Academy. I am Bindeshwar and today we are going to talk about probability, a topic that helps us understand and predict everyday events. So have you ever wondered what the chances are of winning a coin toss or why machine can predict what you will type next? That's all thanks to probability. So in this video, we will explore what probability is, different types of experiments, and how probability powers things like artificial intelligence and data science. So let's get started. So first of all, let us see what is an experiment. So an experiment refers to an operation or activity that can produce some well-defined outcomes. So types of experiments, deterministic experiments and random or probabilistic experiments. Let us talk about deterministic experiments. So these experiments that have a fixed outcome or result no matter how many times they are repeated under the same conditions. Example, the sum of angles in a triangle. In a plane for any triangle chosen, the sum of its angle is always 180 degree. This is true regardless of the shape or size of the triangle. Equilateral, isosceles or scalene. This result can be derived mathematically and verified experimentally by measuring angles. In science and engineering, deterministic experiments ensure consistency and reliability of the results. For example, testing Ohm's law under the same conditions always result in the same relationship between voltage, current and resistance. For example, V is equal to I into R. That relation basically. Now let us talk about random or probabilistic experiments. So these experiments do not produce the same outcome every time, even when repeated under identical conditions. So the outcome in any trial is one of several possible outcomes which cannot be determined in advance. Examples, tossing a coin. So when tossing a fair coin, the result can be either heads or tail. You cannot predict it. The probability of heads is 50% and is the probability of tails also 50%. However, the outcome of each task cannot be predicted beforehand. Rolling a die. So rolling a fair six-sided die can produce any number from 1 to 6 and each outcome has an equal probability of 1 upon 6. The unpredictability makes this classic example of a random experiment. Drawing a card from a shuffled deck. So a standard deck contains 52 cards, each of which can be drawn at random. The probability of drawing a specific card is 1 upon 52. So randomness is ensured by shuffling the deck thoroughly before drawing. Now see what applications of probability in AI and data science. So it is used for predictive modeling. So used to estimate the likelihood of future events based on historical data. We will see this concept in future. Examples, fraud detection, customer behavior analysis and weather forecasting. Machine learning algorithm. Many algorithms like nav-based, hidden Markov models and probabilistic graphical models rely on probability theory. Probability helps in decision making under uncertainty. Also, that is a very good tool for natural language processing. So, probability is used to model language and predict the likelihood of word sequences. So, ChatGPT do the same thing, but it uses different architecture, that is called transformers. We'll discuss later. But when transformer architecture was not discovered or devised, so this model was being used, probabilistic model of language. Yes, so very good tool to understand natural language processing and modeling it. Example: predicting tests in speech recognition, data sampling and hypothesis testing. So probability helps in determining confidence intervals and testing the validity of models. Now, if you have understood, so you can also visit website for more resources, www.postnetwork.co, YouTube channel for a more playlist, Facebook page you can visit for a post and videos, and you can also follow me and follow page on LinkedIn. So hope you understood. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.